Deep in the rainforest, deadly frogs, flying creatures, ancient reptiles, and hidden hunters survive in a world where every sound, color, and movement can mean life or death. This is nature at its strangest and most dangerous. Deep inside the rainforest, some of the strangest creatures on Earth are hiding in plain sight. Tiny poison dart frogs, no bigger than a thumbnail, carry toxins powerful enough to make predators think twice before attacking. Their bright colors are not for beauty. They are warnings. Nearby, armies of leafcutter ants march across the forest floor like living machines, carrying pieces of leaves back to enormous underground colonies hidden beneath the jungle. High above the canopy, white-faced capuchin monkeys crash through the trees, while birds of prey silently follow them, waiting for insects disturbed by the monkeys' movement. On isolated islands, ancient reptiles that once lived alongside dinosaurs still survive today. Creatures so old, they seem frozen in time. As night falls, the rainforest transforms again. Flying frogs glide between trees using giant webbed feet, while tiny treehole frogs turn hollow trunks into natural speakers, amplifying their calls across the forest. And hidden deep within the jungle canopy, the legendary birds of paradise perform one of nature's most extraordinary displays. This is not just a forest. It is a world filled with survival, evolution, strange partnerships, deadly beauty, and creatures unlike anything else on Earth.